Hey, what's going on, guys? Coach Bronson here, and I just want to point out something, do a little thought experiment on the idea behind paying for coaching. There's a lot of people who say keto's free. You can find all the information you need to start keto, to start any kind of diet or fitness program. You don't need to pay for it. I want you to think about this. How much is your time worth? How much is the stress and the amount of mental effort you have to put into figuring out what's going to work for you with all the information that's out there, with all of the people saying different things that are conflicting, with the past of things you've tried that haven't worked, and trying to understand what you need to do to move forward? How much time do you have that you've already put into it? How much time do you think it's going to take for you to go from where you are to where you want to be if you don't ask for help? Okay, I want you to think about this. Let's think about that time as value. Let's think about the education, the experience, the knowledge of context and applying specific sets of information to specific individuals, how the evaluation process works, what it takes to progress somebody from point A to point B, the experience and the knowledge and training that me, for instance, I've been doing this for 12 years. How much have I put into my own training, the hundreds of people that I've worked with, the experience that I have helping people all over the world improve their health and fitness? Okay? How much is that worth so that you don't have to take the time to figure it out for yourself? Okay? What we're talking about when you're looking at getting a coach, when you're looking at joining a program, a challenge, buying a fitness program, whatever it may be, okay? What you're doing is you're changing dollars for experience. I'm a proxy for the amount of time and energy and effort that it's going to take you to figure out how to do it on your own. And I'm going to help you do it faster. That's what you're doing. When you're getting a coach, it's not about the information. It's about getting your own mind right. It's about, how do I make the changes in my life? How do I do that? What's the process for that? How do I rethink my view of the world and my ability to make changes? How do I take the information from a nutrition perspective, from a fitness perspective, and apply those to my specific circumstances and goals? Okay? As a coach, I have spent 12 years learning how to do that. I don't know if you have. Unless you have had the training, you're going to be stuck with a bunch of information, but no idea how to use it. That may be where you are. If that's where you are, please take a look at my program, ketolifemastery.com. It is exactly what I'm talking about, where I'm going to spend time with you one-on-one for 6 months. We're going to do more in 6 months than you've probably been able to do in 2 years, okay, or more. I've had people that have been trying to make progress for 10 years and haven't been able to get where they want to be. I work with them for 3 to 6 months and their life is completely changed. That's what you're paying for. That's what this is all about, okay? I want to help you get unstuck and move forward.